Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all doing well. When you jump on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out and also find me on Instagram and YouTube with Telly's Talking Chalk. You can also find my finished pieces on tellystalkingchalk.ca. That is my website. So check that out. Let me know if you would like anything, and I can help you out there. Let me just get this shared out to all of our friends. And there we go. If you can share this out on your timeline as well, that would be awesome. And if you are on the replay, hashtag replay and let me know when you've seen this. And there we go. How's everybody doing today? Hey, Ryan. So today we are doing the backside of our coffee cup that we did a couple of days ago. I am going to do the back in black again, but we're going to do the Love is Brewing Fresh Daily. So, let's do the background first. What are you up to, Ryan? So, we're going to do the first layer, and then I'm going to dry it, and then we'll do the second layer. And this might take a couple of coats. We'll see. So we just want a thin layer, but we want to make sure that it's nice and covered. And this will dry pretty quickly, so we want to work as fast as we can, but nicely. And we'll put the rest of it back in the jar. Keeping busy, that's good. I'm doing all right. We were over at my mom's for a little bit today, just before my live. Haven't seen her in a while, so wanted to go say hi. You haven't flipped it over. Oh, because it's literally showing me that I haven't even done half of it. Hey everybody! Who else is joining us today? Let me know where you're coming in from. I'm Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm a chalk designer. Been with the company for just over 2 years. Loving every minute of it. I know times are tough, so this has kept me busy. I'm going to do a little bit more. So what have you been keeping busy doing there, Ryan? Just scraping up all the excess. So I'm just going to put that over there. I'm going to dry this now with my heat setter, or my heat gun. You can get these off the website as well. These just help speed up the process of doing layered projects. We want to make sure that all of it is well dried before we put our second layer on, because the second layer, when I pull it up, will pull up the first layer if I don't dry it well enough. And we will have to let this cool down just so that I don't put the transfer down and heat it up too much. Yes, I am glad I got to see her today too. She got her second dose yesterday and is doing well, so that's nice. I actually didn't make this as hot as I did yesterday. So again, I'm getting the Love is Brewing Fresh Daily. I will let you know if you want any actual transfers and stuff. Things are going on sale for 20% off starting tomorrow for the weekend only. So you're going to want to hop on there tomorrow and buy up all the stuff because it is while supplies last. And if you order a certain amount off the website, you will get some free transfers. So you want to do that as well. So again, I'm just going to fuzz this on my skirt. All it is getting a bunch of the fuzz up so that it doesn't stick too hard to our surface. Because these are reusable 8 to 12 times, they are super sticky. And we don't want them to pull up the paste or to stretch because it's stuck on there. So that should be enough, although it is super sticky. Let me do it just a couple more times. What is everybody else up to? I see more people are on. If you want anything, let me know. You can go to tellystalkandchalk.ca and then you can find the business sites there as well. They are linked. So these do not fit perfectly, but that's too far up. Oh, well, that's good. It's always nice to get caught up on stuff that you enjoy. So we're going to put this down and put it as nicely down as we can so that there's no bubbles, because bubbles will make it leak. We want to keep the design as pristine as we can. Now I decided that I'm going to do it in a purple. It is our fig. We do have lots of colors that you can choose from on the website. These are 3-ounce jars, or there's 3 ounces of paste or ink, depending on which one you need. If you want it to stay, you're going to need ink, and you're going to need to heat set it. Thank you. You're going to need to heat set it so that it will stay on the fabric, or if you want to do it on plates or anything of that nature, we do have a metal tray that you can put it on as well. It's also through the website. So we're just scraping up the excess on here. And then I'm going to do the bottom part now. And this is how easy it is to do. You just put a whole bunch of it down, move it around. Now this will come up off of your transfer, so don't worry about that. Just water will do it. You can also use our board erasers. Our board erasers are awesome. They help clean up the boards and your transfers. Are we ready to see what this does? How this has come out. Oh. Just need to be able to pick it. There we go. Just hold it down, but without. I'm just going to stick that to my table over here for 1 second and show you this up close. I feel like this is almost like the Friends writing from the coffee shop. I don't know why, but that's what it makes me think of. My video is so far behind.
I know. So did you flip it over and show the other side?
I haven't yet. Well, I started with it, yeah. So we have this side. And then this is what we did, not yesterday, the day before. Yeah, Tuesday. Had to think about what day today is.
There you go.
All right. I can't tell because it's so far behind. I haven't even revealed the other side yet. So there's this side, and I just put my finger in it. And this side. Okay, I'm gonna put it down, and I'm going to heat it up and dry it because I'm gonna end up putting my finger in it more, making it wrecked. We don't want that. There we go. But that is all I have for you today. If you want any information, let me know. You can private message me, and I will get back to you. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.